So back here at the remodel in Strongsville, so we have the bigger door in and framed. The original door was over here and we had to open up this. Obviously we're gonna do all the mud work and stuff like this. We've got to do trim, etc. So we went to a 36-inch door here. We have most of the green board up now. That's in here. What else do I need to show you? So this is obviously where the old tub was. We have the new stack piped in. That's just a false drain. We don't know where the tub's gonna go yet. We're waiting for it to come in. Supplier screwed us. But this whole wall got insulation in it. They wanted a sound deafening because there's a bathroom on the other side. But all the electrical's done. So this is for mirrors. And then this is vanity lights. Overhead vanity lights, GFI. Obviously, we had to move some of the plumbing over, so we cut subfloor up. This is all in the right spot. And then the shower is bigger. So this is where the old wall was. We moved it over. And then the pan just got set about an hour ago. So as you can see, all the plumbing is done. We're really in good shape. We're going to start doing some of our filling in here. And then last minute, the customer, we were supposed to put a 36-inch door here. But with the room, with the size of the shower and having to move that and all that, they just decided to save money and say, screw it. The biggest goal was them to have wheelchair accessibility for the shower and stuff like that. They weren't as quite worried about this toilet. So nothing's really changed in here at all. Just you got a normal door, went back with it, and they're going with white trim now because it used to be all the brown trim throughout here. So we're not going to mess with any of the drywall here. We added an overhead light here, overhead fan, that's new. And then that one in there is existing. And then obviously right here is where it'll flip on. So that's where we're at with all this. We're just patching in a little bit of subfloor. And then since we have this knockout, I got to kind of frame a box over here and carry it over, but we're going to have a caddy corner tub, so it won't even be seen. So I wanted to get a video showing we had the insulation in here. You can see all the electrical done, blah, blah, blah. And before we really start setting stuff. So that's all. So this is where we're at here. So we got the door in, all the drywall done. The customer's actually painting. So that's why we don't have cover plates on the electrical or anything. I would turn those lights on, but I don't have bulbs right now. It's a 36-inch door. Customer wanted to go back with gold. We don't have the tub ordered in yet, so we have this access panel because we have the supply lines and the drain right here, and we're going to move it. It'll be catty-cornered, but this is just drywall primer. The customer is painting. I had him paint this area so that we could get light fixtures and all that stuff hung. These supplies are for mirrors. But vanity's in, floor is in. We're going to stop here because we're not going to carry it in over here. We wanted to get the toilet in. But here's the finished shower. Obviously, just no paint. That's the textured ceiling there. It's only flashing because it's the color of mud. It still needs paint. In here, toilet's in and hooked up. And works with this. Toilet's working. Got all the doors back on. Everything's good. Trim's up. The only thing is I gotta wait to get trim in. I'm gonna do trim after he paints it. So like I said, customer's doing all the painting, so it kind of holds us up on some things. So all good, new P-traps and everything. Obviously, it's all new. So, so this is, all these are run off of the single GFI. Lights are in, and then once the mirrors are in, you know, it'll be a finished look. And then obviously paint, and then the rest of the flooring will go a long way. But I just wanted to get another progress update, see where we're at here.